Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, October 6th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and you're looking at the chart of October 5th, yesterday, a Wednesday. And I want to make 2 points in this video. Very simple, and I'm going to repeat things that I've said multiple times in videos previous to this one. I always tell viewers to use patience when you trade. And I also display my trading zone along with the previous day's close. And what you're seeing on my chart is the trading zone for Wednesday, October 5th, the close of Tuesday, October 4th. And so the market started out just under my trading zone. And what I like to do in the morning is to wait to see if I can get an indication of what signals the market is giving me, because I would like to remove as much uncertainty as possible. Not that you can ever remove uncertainty from the price action of the S&P market, but what I like to do is look to see the market, the way it's moving, and I like to wait until I can find either an intraday high or an intraday low. And those are usually printed within the first half hour to hour of the day. So here we are at the beginning of the day, and prices move in their typical volatility, up and down, gyration. Can't tell which way the market is going to go for the day. Waiting patiently, sitting in front of my console. So here the market made a very quick momentum move. This is, again, 3 minutes, went almost 18 points, almost 20 points in 3 minutes, and then settled further down. And typically, what really bothered me about yesterday, not so much that it bothered me, but it was a little different. And that was that prices are moving against the previous day's close, which is right here at 3806, 3805. And this is where prices have a very strong tendency and likelihood to revisit the following day. So this was Tuesday's close, 3805. And the market faded that for the first hour of the morning and then stabilized and then started to move up. And so I said, well, wait a minute. Either this is going to be a high of the day or this is going to be a low of the day. One of them is the intraday high or low. And the fact that the market is now correcting and beginning to move toward the previous day's close, which is a strong magnet for prices, always. I took a guess that this would be the intraday low. So I take my trading zone and I copy it and I paste it down to match the intraday low to get a sense of where the market is likely to trade for the day. So I move it to the intraday low right over here. And my trading zone now is set at the intraday low. And I wait, and the prices, sure enough, they're moving up steadily toward the previous day's close, right up here at 3805, which they reached at 3 p.m. This was the target. This was also the new trading zone resistance. So this was the target to get off. This was an intermediary target also over here. This shooting star with a confirmation of an overboard stochastic. So this is a demonstration of how to use patience and how to judge the market in terms of the previous day's close, the equilibrium. So that's my video for today. I hope it illustrates something. I hope it sets off a light bulb in your head. Try to eliminate as much uncertainty as you can making a trade, and you should do better than just hopping on and taking a guess and crossing your fingers. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use a lot of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.